Good afternoon! Hi everyone! Welcome to another video. Ngayon pupunta tayo sa Paseo de Rojas. Why am I wearing the same shirt with sa nakaraan kong vlog? Because nagsubmit ako ng VTR. Kasi ito yung suot kong damit. Eh kapag naka-final casting ka sa commercial, you have to be, well, usually you have to be wearing the one you wore in the video. Kaya mukha akong dancer today. And it's so funny kasi
ang hinahanap nila, iba-iba yung teenagers na hinahanap nila. They were looking for band members and then they were looking for dancers.
doon ako na final cast sa dancers.
Kaya
Nag-gitara pa man din ako. Pinantahan ko pa sila. Papasayawin ata nila ako mamaya. It's just 3 kilometers away ata. Then later we're going to Legazpi. Uy! Ang hangin!
We're going to the third floor. Sana mabilis.
Hindi ko alam kung oras na matatapos.
Wait, what time is it? It's 12:38. Yung schedule ko sa hit. 2 p.m.
Sa recording.
Yeah, it's 5 kilometers away from here. Sana magusto mo tapos.
Ito yung hilig mag-vlog.
Sama ko na rin kayo. Say hi. Biglang say hi.
Nakita mo yung sabi ko sa
Here na sa hit. Tapos kami mga format. At sinayin pa si Ellie.
Vlog.
Sorry. Hi, we're going 9:05. We're going to happen.
Elise, yan!
Coffee. Hi, guys! Nakapag-dinner na kami sa Gida. These are everyone I'm with.
Mag-hi kayo sa vlog. Hi vlog, sabihin niyo. Ito yung maganda, oh. My favorite. Ito hindi ko to favorite. Wala lang choice.
Hala, ayoko
Joke
na si
lang.
Tom Gray tututok.
Medyo favorite.
Mga 50% lang.
Can have coffee.
Okay, these will be voiceovers from now on dahil nawala na naman tayo ng audio. So here, naglalakad ako sa underpass ng Makati. Ang daming skips nitong vlog na to. Nakapag-dinner na kami before this. So this is us now looking for a cafe in Ayala Triangle. Here's everyone. Ang galing kasi ang last punta ko dito was when I went with my lola. Tapos ngayon na nakabalik ako, ang dami ko nakasama. Tayo na lahat! Wow, ang ganda! I miss this. Oh, I've never been here at night. Ayun, we decided to stay at H Proper. I think that's the name of the cafe. Then we just hung out. We talked a lot about music. Then we asked our questions, any music-related questions to our Kuya Ziv because he's a producer who also paid for our drinks, by the way. Kaya thank you so much to him. Hey guys, we're booking now. It is 10:33 p.m. and we are on our way back to my tita's house. Tapos magbubook na din kami pa uwi because I have an early morning. Not really early. We have a morning schedule for BNY Dreams tomorrow. So I have to be early. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope this video lasted up to 4 minutes. Check. Bye guys. God bless.